Good morning, friends. I have another cooking activity here. We're gonna make a marshmallow snowflake. Let's see how fun it's gonna be this activity. Okay, in order for us to do the activity, we're gonna use the medium marshmallows and the little tiny marshmallows. Okay, and we need pretzels. You see? We need the long pretzels, okay? So I have here the pretzels. Let me open the bag for the marshmallows. And we're gonna try to make the snowflake. So we're gonna need one big marshmallow. Let me open a little bit more. Big marshmallow, right? And then one of the pretzel stick you're gonna stick in the middle all the way. It has to come out through the other end. So you're gonna push, you see? You're gonna push, push, push. And then you're gonna leave it in the middle. Okay, so with the other ones, you're gonna have to break it in half like this. And then you're gonna stick one in here, one in here. You're gonna need another pretzel, and you're gonna break it in half again to the other side, right? You're gonna stick it in there. See? And now we're gonna put those little tiny marshmallows at the end of each pretzel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You ready to see my snowflake? Look at it. You like my snowflake? I'm gonna put it on the plate so it could look better. I'll show you in a minute how it looks. This is my beautiful snowflake made out from pretzels and marshmallows. Have a good day. Bye.